first thing I tell my patients to do is to decongest for better rest. So most people don't realize it, but snoring actually occurs in one or two of three different places: in the nasopharynx or the nose, in the oropharynx, back of the mouth, or in the hypopharynx, down in the throat. So in any one of those areas, if there's a narrowing of the airway, that makes the air move faster, which causes a cadence, which causes a snore. So what we have to do is open those different areas up. How do we do that? Anything you can do to decongest is going to be quite helpful, whether it's using a nasal strip or a saline spray, or even something over the counter to help reduce that swelling and open up that nasal airway. Next, oftentimes I'll have people use a bed wedge. So that's like a piece of foam that will raise their torso up and bring their torso forward, taking gravity out of the equation. The third thing I tell people to do is to create what I call a pillow wall. So it's actually a wall of pillows between them and the snoring person, because remember, sound waves are matter waves, and if you put something in between you and the sound source, it can actually help curb that sound. Another possibility, of course, are earplugs or a sound machine. So when you're sleeping next to somebody who's snoring, you and your partner together have to come up with a strategy and create a solution.